Hi. Do you want attention? Yes, I'm in a towel. Do you want attention? I'm so sorry that I'm not paying attention to you. You need to look cute for the camera. Okay guys, this is what I'm working with. This is just one side of the closet, and yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. So that is one side of the closet. I will show you the other side. And the other side of the closet. Not too bad. There's a lot of crap down there though. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is the after. Sorry, I am buggered because I was trying to lift this damn suitcase. I was trying to lift that up to there and back, but it's full of winter clothes. So I just put every single one of my winter coats and dresses, etc. into this suitcase because it is really hot and it's not even properly summer yet. We've still got a couple of days. But I wanted to show you the after, so I've just left, that's my like filing thing. That's an empty suitcase when I go on trips. And over here, I've just got one scarf left. I got rid of every other scarf I own. I just couldn't be bothered. Yeah, over scarves. But that one's really cute. So I have sorted this from crop tops to t-shirts to bottoms, which I only have like 1, 2, 3 bottoms. And then I've got some jumpsuits here, and I'll just take you over to the other side of the closet. And here I have got some jumpsuits and some dresses. So some nice sort of going out dresses. And then up the top here I have my hats, my 2 clutches that are left, some going out shoes, some going out boots, and some comfy casual boots and sneakers and some sandals. So, and then I've just got my other empty suitcase up here. So that is my entire wardrobe cleaned. Well, wardrobe number 1. I have a second wardrobe to go through. Okay, so tomorrow I will go through my work wardrobe and I will add that to this video. Are you sick of mummy cleaning? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Phoebe! Are you ignoring me? Look at the big pile of clothes mummy's giving away. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me for cleaning? You really don't give a shit, do you? No shits given. Alrighty guys, now I am tackling the work closet. So you've seen my fun closet for my weekend clothes. This is my work closet. It's not as bad as the fun closet, but it is kind of messy. So that is that shelf. I'll just move you over. Hello. And this is the other side. So as you can see, it's not terrible, but there's still probably quite a bit to go through. I've got some lighting equipment and everything up there as well. So yes, wish me luck.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over yourself.
Alrighty. This didn't actually take me too long, but my closet is now clean. I didn't get rid of too much because this closet is pretty much like my everyday closet because it's for work and everything is pretty much, you know, fits me well and it's something I wear every day. So I just popped my gym bag up the top with one of my other handbags, my camera bag, some more bags up there. I used to have so many bags, guys. I used to have a thing that would sit over the door like that. And I had so many and it was just ridiculous. Like, this is actually a small collection for me. So got little like tiny bags for going out, a little backpack, a satchel and another handbag, and I've got a backpack down here, a bigger one. So I've got dresses over here, and then I've just got this little coat hanger from Kmart that I've hung 2 belts on. I'd like to get some more belts because it's something I'm always searching for, but I don't really have that many of. So I've got heels up here, all the perfumes that I don't want on display. So I have like a couple on display over here because it works with the color scheme. So the rest don't really work with the color scheme, so I put them in the closet. So I got all my work shoes, everything on these shelves. If I get any more flat shoes, because I only have these leopard print shoes and I don't really wear them that often. Because you can only really wear them with stockings, so they're more of a winter shoe because they kind of cut into your feet. So I want to get some more flat shoes and put them down there. So yeah, dresses there. I'll just slide this door over. Hi. So over here, I have got some, what are they called? Capes. So they're like summer capes and blazers that I wear inside the office because it's quite cold inside. I've got another bag up there that sort of holds a lot of camera equipment. I got some camera lights sitting up there with my little yoga mat. And then I've got, yeah, some blouses for work, skirts, pants, dresses, etc. And that's all nice and clean now, so yeah. Okay guys, so you've seen me clean both of my closets now, and yes, it probably sounds a little privileged that I've just said both closets. But I work really hard and I enjoy clothes, so what can I say? I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me clean up my closet and the before and afters. I'm really enjoying watching these types of videos on YouTube at the moment. I got addicted to like decluttering videos and like cleaning out my closet videos. So I think like Gabby Hanna did one, Sean XO did one. Yeah, so I'm just a little bit addicted. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me, because I'm thinking about doing a room tour, sort of like makeover video to show you like my office and my bedroom, because that's where these closets are located. So one's in my office slash dressing room slash makeup room, and the other one is in my bedroom. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.